it, but I felt it was going to be too plain, so I used a shanty lace to cover it. So I'm going to be showing you how to do a fabric placement. So this is fabric we're going to be using on this outfit. That's basically the aim of this video. I'll just cover it up, so it gave it a lift, as you can see, but of course we're going to be using an invisible thread to tack it down. So first things first, what we're going to do is to place it on the fabric. Use a pin to pin it all the way around it. Now it's important to know that when you're pinning down a fabric, when you're doing fabric placement, always target the seam lines, that's the edges of the area you want to pin down. So as you can see, you see the sleeve joining area, I had to target those areas. Those are the areas to target first. The seam line, because we're doing this placement only in front, we're not doing it at the back, so we have to make sure that we pin it across all the seam lines of this outfit, every single point where the outfit was attached to each other, where the sides were attached, where the waist were attached to the skirt area, where the shoulder was attached to the sleeves. We're going to carefully pin those portions, and that's where we're going to be using our invisible threads to tack it down. So this is how we're going to keep pinning it. So I came down here and I'm also pinning it along the waistline, and then we'll just keep pinning. Be careful, be sure the pins are not even too much, so just keep pinning on that position. So now I've pinned it all the way around down to the neck area, the shoulder area. If you look very closely, I did a very neat work by pinning it. But what I now did was, you see the under bust, so the fabric doesn't stay straight, I just pinned it down and pinned the other portion down as well, just to create that contour and that curve. So now I have finished using my invisible thread to attach it. I imagine that you'll be able to do that by yourself. Invisible thread is invisible, so there is no fear in thinking that the outfit will look rough. No, it won't look rough at all, unless, I don't know, maybe you didn't tie it well and the thread are just hanging around. But if you do it well, it will actually sit. So now I'm done attaching it. If you look very closely, there's no pin holding it anymore. It means that after sewing it, I removed all the pins. So right now I'm just meticulously cutting it out. But the first things first is just to cut it off broadly. No need to have any specific way to cut it for now. After you just cut it, casually, you can now take your time and cut it more precisely. So I did the first cutting right there, and by the time I was done doing this first cutting, you see some extra fabric dangling around. I decided to leave those ones first of all, just so that it will just give a neat look. So what I'm doing right now is to now do the precision cut to make sure I don't cut into the main outfit, to make sure that I don't mistakenly cut where I had stitched down. You don't mistakenly cut what we're not supposed to cut generally. So this is the precision cutting. I'll do that for all over this outfit right now. This one you have to be very, 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 very careful. That's why you have to cut the broader aspects first before you start cutting the precision aspects, to avoid the main outfit struggling for space with this. So I've done the whole precision cutting, and by the time I finished it, this is what it looks like. I did it on a second outfit as well, and this is what it also looks like. You just move the outfit from basic to this. So eventually I beaded both outfits, and this is what the first one looked like, and this is what the second one looked like. Let me know if this tutorial was useful to you in any way. If you're about to bead your own outfit and you feel like it's too plain, use any lace of a choice to cover the front panel, and then just throw some beads on top of it. You'll like the outcome. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye.